Hi and welcome to session 3. We've only done 2 sessions so far, so if you're expecting quick results, hang in there, give it some time. Now, I don't want you to try too hard in these sessions. Neither do I want you to let your mind drift away completely. I'd like you to find a balance between the two, putting in soft, patient, persistent effort, not getting frustrated, and taking it one step at a time. So let's get started. Take a few deep breaths as you make yourself comfortable. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Take your time. Experience the breath, the air coming into your body, and experience the air leaving your body. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythm, breathing in and out through your nose again. Gently close your eyes and notice all the sounds around you. It's interesting, isn't it, that the moment you pay attention, you notice so much more. You keep paying attention to sounds, hearing all the sounds. Soft, loud, near and far. Or if it's absolutely silent where you're sitting, pay attention to this quality of silence. What does it actually sound like? As much as your mind is describing the sounds, see if you can let go of any descriptions and really pay attention to the sounds themselves. Move your attention now to the breath, and as you did in the previous session, allowing your body to breathe. Trying not to interfere with the breath. Just experience the movements of your abdomen, the gentle rising and falling, paying attention to what it feels like every moment. Every time your mind moves away, notice and bring it back to the breath as many times as necessary. And slowly opening your eyes. Boredom and restlessness are really your 2 biggest challenges at this stage of meditation. But if you turn away from this practice now, then you're never going to discover the great wisdom, peace, happiness, and the enormous potential within you, within your mind. All you need is this simple, powerful practice. So have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 4.